Where there is need, innovation follows. This is why Julius Mwesige, also known as Mr. Wildlife, has come out to address the growing problem of solid waste, especially in urban areas. As a conservation educator at the Uganda Wildlife Conservation Education Center in Entebbe, Julius is transforming waste into valuable products that contribute to environmental preservation.
Uganda is still having a big challenge of plastic waste management, where to the point now plastics and other kind of solid waste are killing a lot of people, like you saw the scenario that happened in Chitezi. So how can plastics or waste kill people? It means that we have really failed to manage, so it's now waste managing us.
Mwesige's passion for solid waste management dates back to his primary school days, where he organized cleanup initiatives in Entebbe to promote environmental cleanness and repurposing solid waste. This dedication to the cause has only deepened over the years.
I was the president of Wildlife Club at Air Force Secondary School from my high school, so I had to engage my fellow learners at school and started having clean-up exercises from Katabi Central Market, Katabi Trading Center, and later we started working with more schools around, from the school level now to other schools, engaging other schools. And this one helped us to clean out the forest, like Chituburi Forest Reserve, which was one of the most polluted forests.
In Entebbe municipality and its surrounding areas, plastic waste accumulation remains a significant environmental challenge, threatening both the ecosystem and aquatic life. Mwesige highlights the issue and its harmful impact on the environment.
As an individual, I have seen some animals like tortoises being squeezed with plastics. Most especially, I found some tortoise here in Katabi in the landfill of Entebbe, and I was able to pick it and I brought it here to the zoo, and that tortoise I nicknamed it Figure 8. So if you see it, it has a shape of like Figure 8 because plastic squeezed it in the middle and it was almost dying, and it grew in the plastics and that they made that kind of a shape.
At the Uwe Conservation Area, he has set up a waste management demonstration unit where he has trained over 1,000 young people in proper waste management techniques. These include transforming various types of waste from small plastic items to large car tires into new usable products.
So as I was coordinating wildlife clubs, I found it very interesting now to educate the children in making of dustbins. And students were making dustbins, then also establishing backyard gardens using tires, using plastic bottles, and students started harvesting vegetables, supplement their diet at school.
In cities like Kampala, waste management is an ongoing struggle, especially in the wake of the Kitezi landfill collapse. Mwesige advocates for practical solutions, starting with solid sorting at the household level, which he believes is a key to effective waste management.
Let us sort waste from the source. If we have sorted the waste from the source, from the main source, it is easy to manage. You can do a lot of products just out of waste.
Through his continued work with the young people, he is making a meaningful impact on waste management practices and environmental sustainability in Uganda. Kenneth Chitandwe, reporting for UBC News.